Hi, I'm Jason Clote, and here is your tutorial for subscribing to the Modern Languages Events Calendar on iOS. First, if you followed the instructions in our Modern Languages Calendar for Mac video, and if you use iCloud to synchronize your devices, congratulations! The Modern Languages Calendar is already syncing to your iOS devices, and you're done. However, if you don't use a Mac, or if you don't sync via iCloud, here are the instructions for subscribing to our calendar on iOS. Start in Settings. Scroll down to Passwords and Accounts. Select Add Account. Then select Other. Then select Add Subscribed Calendar. Now, paste the link I sent you via email. It's the link that ends with .ics. Tap Next. Here, you can set a name for the calendar, and like we did in the Mac video, we'll call it ML Events. You can leave all other settings as they are. Now, when we go to the Calendars app, we see Modern Languages events, like our department orientation. At the bottom of the screen, select Calendars. You can change the color, and once again, like in the Mac video, we'll change it to red. And you can turn off notifications if you'd like. I can tap an event to see details like the location and its ending time. To hide the calendar, go back into the calendar's preferences. Uncheck the box to the left of the calendar name, and the events temporarily disappear. Note that anyone can see the events in the Modern Languages calendar, but you cannot edit them. If you want to publicize an event to the entire department via the calendar, please contact me. And finally, to unsubscribe from the Modern Languages calendar, go back to Settings, Passwords and Accounts, select the calendar, and tap Delete Account. If you have any questions or problems, please visit me in Bondurant C109.